Titles are an essential part of social protocol and are used to show respect and appreciation. Sir and Dame are used to greet individuals who have been knighted by the king or queen in recognition of their outstanding achievements. For men, Sir is added to their first and last names, while for women, Dame is added. Example: Sir John Smith, Dame Helen Mirren. Mr. is used for all men regardless of marital status. Mrs. is used for married women, Miss for unmarried women, and Mississippi Doctor is used to greet people who have a doctorate or a doctorate. This includes people in all academic and medical fields. Example: Dr. Taylor, Dr. Johnson. Professor is used for university professors who hold a high academic rank, and reflects their scholarly standing. Example: Professor Wilson, Professor Harris. Lady is used for aristocrats. Lord is used for men with noble titles such as a baron or duke, and lady is used for aristocratic women.